Hey guys, this is our number skills, page 53 and 54. Number 1 says fill in the circle under the 5th hay bale from the left. So this is our left side. Let's count. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Very good. All right. Number 2 says to add. All right, so 0 plus 1 equals, well, if I have one dot and I add 0 to it, I still only have one dot. Same for here. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 2 plus 0 equals, I still only have 2. Good. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 1, 2. So 0 plus anything equals, the number is just going to stay the same. All right, let's write how many cent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cents. All right, write your numbers. Trace 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. And then number 1 on the back says write first, second, or third to show which happened first. So which one happened first? Right, he rolled up the bottom snowball. Right, which happened next? Second. Good, he put the balls on top of each other to make his snowman. All right, and then of course this one happened last because he was all built and he put the things on him like the hat and the buttons and the scarf. All right, trace your teen numbers again, and then let's tell what time it is. It is 5. Uh-oh, now we don't have the numbers here. What numbers go here? If the long hand is pointing at the 12. 0, 0. Good. All right, let's look here. Now we have the short hand pointing at the 11. That long hand still pointing at the 12, so we have to write 0, 0. Very good. 11 o'clock. All right, next says color the ornament with the 80 family numbers on it. All right, those are going to be the ones that have the 8 in the tens place. All right, guys.